All right there, boys and girls. We are on day 15 of our January daily math. All right. So number 1 and 2 here, we kind of have that two-parter, right? Three-part question for two questions. So here we are. We're going to start with the number 12, and then we are going to add 25 to it. So I'm just going to write my 25 down here, and we're going to add it. So I'm going to say 2 plus 5 is 7, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so there's 37. Now we're going to subtract 8. Well, if I subtract 7, it makes me go down to 30. So 1 more than 7 would be 29, right? So again, subtract 8. This is what it looks like if we work it out. And you can do this as well. Absolutely, you know we'll always take that work, right? Minus 8. All right, now there's more on the floor, so we have to borrow from next door. There's our, get rid of our 3. We're going to make our 2. Now, 17 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9. Okay, and then 2 minus nothing is 2. That works too. I got 29 either way, right? Again, what I kind of did is I saw 37 minus 8. Well, I'm going to take off 7 to make it 30. Okay? And then once I get to 30, I still have 1 more to go. That was the difference between 7 and 8. So 30 minus 1, I just back up 1. It's 29. All right, now we're going to add 40. Well, 9 and 0 is 9. Okay? And 4 plus 2 more, or 2 plus 4, 4, 5, 6. So our end number is going to be 69. Okay. Next one here. Number 3. Meanwhile, Lily is buying flip-flops in Florida. That's like a tongue twister. Flip-flops in Florida. They cost $5. She has 5 quarters, 7 dimes, and 1 nickel. How much money does she have? Okay, so she has 5 quarters. Well, 4 quarters is $1, right? So 4 quarters equals $1. So she still has 5 quarters, so 1 more quarter than that would be $1.25 for the 5th quarter, okay? She has 7 dimes, so 7 tens. 7 times 10 is 70. Or we can count up by 10 7 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, 70. So we have 70 cents in dimes. And then she has 1 nickel, which is 5 cents. Okay, so we're going to add these 3 numbers up. Okay, so 5 plus 5 equals 10. Carry that 1 over, right? I'm going to start with my big number. 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to, since we all lined it up, we know that our decimal point goes there for money. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Oh, so she has $2. How much money does she have? $2. Can Lily buy the flip-flops? Nope. How much more money does she need? Okay, they cost $5. She has 2. 3 more dollars. All right, just another way to count that change really quickly. 5 quarters is $1.25. And then we can go, we're going to count by tens from there. So $1.25, we have 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, $1.95. Those are my 7 dimes. So I'm at $1.95 plus a nickel is $2. Okay? Just another way to do it if you like counting and using your fingers. I do. Let's go on to number 4. Joshua has 4 pairs of mittens. Does he have an even or odd number of mittens? Well, they're all pairs, right? Meaning there's always 2. So if you have 1 pair of mittens, it's still 2 mittens. 2 pairs of mittens is 4. 3 pairs of mittens is 6 mittens. So 4 pairs of mittens is 8 mittens. Every pair has to be even because there's always 2 mittens. Okay? So that's an even. Unless, of course, you're like in my family, I can never seem to find that other matching mitten. There's always something missing. You know, you'll find one, and then you can't find the other one. So we go mismatched sometimes. I guess that's just how we roll. All right, number 5, our favorite snow activity. Making snowmen, sledding, throwing snowballs, making snow angels. But not at school, no throwing snowballs, right? Okay. How many like to make snowmen and throw snowballs? So making snowmen, so we're talking about this one. It says and, so we're going to combine them and throw snowballs. So we're going to add those 2 numbers to get our answer. So let's go 22 plus 15 equals something. Okay, so 2 plus 5 is 7. 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 1 is 2, 3. So 37 like to make snowmen and throw snowballs. Okay. All right. Again, check off how you did here. Okay. If we found a mistake, just draw a line through the number you got wrong. Write down the score you got. Okay. And make corrections if you needed to. And hopefully we'll get a little learning in there. Okay. We'll see you tomorrow for day 16.